Hey warrior, hey friends, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I would love to share with you guys a few strategy that we able to help double and triple our sales. And these gonna be regarding to customer behavior and how people shop and how you can use psychology to help increase sales. And number two is we're gonna share with you how influencer marketing that we leverage to help us sell out on most of our products, and same with our students, so that you can somewhat understand furthermore and have more detail on how to work with influencer, especially if you're new and beginner. All right, and if you're new here, my name is Justin. I've been selling on Amazon for over 6 years already, and I've been doing well for myself to where I build and sell Amazon brand and do quite enough for myself to where I'm able to retire my mom and be able to travel the world. And right now, I know it's kind of late because I had such a long day planning and stuff like that, but I don't want to miss out another video with you guys. And I promise that's why I do as imperfected as possible. And I hope that you can learn a lot from this video, okay? And my apology for this kind of quality, but hey, we're gonna bring back another better quality next week. All right, and I hope that you have an amazing week, and let's dive into the video. And before we dive in, make sure that you check my video description or the comment for our free training and also free tutorial and blog about Amazon and about entrepreneurship. Those are free and that could help you to learn more. And if you need help, schedule a call with us so that we can see what we can do to help, okay? Let's jump right into the video. So understanding the customer journey, for someone to spend $169, they have to go through research. They would look up on YouTube for what, because for you, when you spend something $100, you're gonna look something up on YouTube, some on Google. You wanna buy something that is reliable. So what I mean by that is, for your product at $169, you will need to invest into some influencer marketing to talk about your product, because the leading like the top seller in your market, he is an influencer himself, right? He educates his customer. So you need to look for a similar content creator or influencer, but not in a bigger, not in like a macro 200,000, 500,000 followers. You want to look for people in the personal development page, space, or personal help page, and start helping them to prep for your products. That would allow you to position yourself where the customer, they see your product and then you go to Amazon and make a purchase, because they have been through that proven of seeing your product in action by the influencer.
Okay.
For influencer marketing, the first campaign is relationship campaign, where, hey, I'm gonna give you a product, like gifting a campaign, where, hey, I'm gonna give you the product to prep. If we see like good positive result, we're gonna put up a contract and pay you, let's say 300 to 500 a post, you know. But from the start, give them a product and give them $100 for, like, once they post a video, give them $100, just so that it incentivizes them to post for you.
But then what if I give them the product and they don't post the video? Then I take the loss, right?
It's not a loss, because influencer marketing is like you going out and networking with people. When you spend time with people, let's say people don't reciprocate, do you consider as a loss?
Are you asking me, or you telling me?
Yeah, I'm asking you. When you go out and network in, let's say, a corporate world, when you get to talk to someone but then they don't reciprocate or they don't give you any value back, is it considered as a loss?
I guess not, because you wouldn't be able to increase your chances of opportunity if you don't take some losses, right? And risk.
And same with influencer marketing.
Okay.
It's the same concept. You're looking for the guy that would help prep you. And that's why we incorporate $100 after you post a video. It would help incentivize someone compared to other brands where all they do was just sending out free product. It's a hit and miss. But if you telling the influencer, say, hey, once you post a product video, we're gonna give you let's say $100 bonus as a way to appreciate you.
Mm.
So now you increase their chance to posting it.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes. So yes, I get what you're talking about. Like,
Yeah.
sometimes you send them the product and they don't post for you. It's kind of like, oh, well, whatever. But if you say it's give you $100 after you post, kind of incentivize them to make a good video and to continue the relationship.
That is correct. And number two is you don't give out product to random people. Just like in the networking event, you gotta look around scouting for an important person, right? Same on influencer. You're gonna scouting around looking for influencer that in the niche that you are trying to sell product in. And you're gonna engage with them and send DM to them. So you're able to reduce the risk by sending product to wrong people. And number two is by providing $100 incentive. It does help you to get them to post for their followers. And if their followers click on that link or using the code to make a purchase on your Amazon, now you know which influencer is great for your business. And that would allow you to continue to work with them and put up like an agreement or like a retainer.
Okay. Yeah. No, that makes sense. Yeah. Find the right person and then don't have them buy the FBA or anything. You just send them the product.
There's two ways. You can either send them the product yourself if you have anything at home. Or let's say, it really depends, okay? If you know that you're working with someone very important, they have a lot of followers, and they seem very busy, you cannot get a hold of them, or it seems like they don't have enough time to make a purchase, then send it to them. But if you're working with influencer who's like very 10,000 review, 20,000 review, and you seem like they're active all the time, then you can leverage, hey, is it possible if you can help me? This is the product, please make a purchase and then I'll refund you the money later.
Okay, so if they're really busy then and they're really popular, then send it to them. But if they're like lower followers, then have them try to purchase and then have them refund it.
Yeah, refund outside of Amazon, but that comes with some pros and cons, okay? Is sometimes like if influencer with good ethic, they would not return the product to double dipping, but some do. So my best approach as always is if you have some stuff at your house, you can send it out to them. And for your cost of product, it's just the cost of the product itself. So you're not afraid of the return if they decided to make a purchase on Amazon and return to get their money back.
Yeah, I was afraid of return and a bad review and a bad star if they want to, something doesn't go the way.
Yeah, so there's many different ways. So you have to feel the influencer, but to streamline the process, just send it out to them.
Okay. All right. That sounds really good. Yeah, I'll work on influencer marketing. I've been trying to work on it this week and building my page and posting, but I'll watch your vault video. I know you posted a vault video on it.
That is correct.
Yeah.
Is it clear on the influencer marketing in order to help you make up for that honeymoon period and help you stand out from the crowd?
Yes, because actually I've been to a lot of your Saturday classes, so you've been harping about influencer marketing. It's just I wanted to just see like what's wrong with my PPC first before going to influencer marketing, but I know my high cost product has to be educated for people, so yeah. I'll work on that part. It's just like I had way more sales during the honeymoon phase. I'm like, oh, what happened? But Prime Day is also around the corner, so maybe that's also why.
That is another reason, because there's people would also wait for Prime Day where they're discounted so that they can start purchasing. Just like for you, before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, back in the day, you always save your money just for that day, right?
Yes.
So you have to understand the market cycle.
Yes.
When there's important stuff coming. And same with your product. Make sure that you also add on like giftable like some keyword, because people may look for like some giftable products. So you can add some keyword as perfect gift, as a perfect gift. All right, I hope that you find the information valuable, and there are a lot more information that related to it, and that's why I do want to invite you guys to our upcoming free workshop that we will be hosting this upcoming Wednesday. So check the video description so that you can have the link to sign up. And we do want to share more information regarding to how we market our products so that we can help you make more sales, just like how I'm able to help myself and help many of our students able to bring in 5, 6, and 7 figures right from their home with the Amazon brand. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Consider to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any question. And don't forget to check out our website for more free learning, tutorial, and weekly blog posts to help you level up your Amazon brand. And I appreciate your time, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening or day ahead of you. So peace for now, guys. And if I can do it, you can too. I'll see you at the top.